So I love bagels, but there are several ways that you can actually serve bagel and make it interesting. And today, that's what I'm gonna show you. You've probably seen this already. This is called a Hassleback cheesy bagel made in the air fryer. So basically, we want to start with a butter. We're going to melt the butter along with the spices. You can use microwave to melt this, but I really like using the pan so that it cook and crisp up the garlic. This is basically a garlic butter. And then you will need a bagel. You can use plain bagel, sesame bagel. I'm using a jalapeno and cheese because I like a little bit of spice in my bagel. And then you need to cut it just like what I'm doing here. Use a chopsticks or any wooden skewers that you can use to guide you when you're cutting it so that it doesn't go through it. Now, you have to brush the bagel and those slits in the bagel with the garlic butter that we made earlier. Make sure to brush the bottom, the top, and in between those slices. And then next, we are going to stuff those slits with melting cheese. So, any kind of melting cheese that you want, you can use it. I'm using, again, a jalapeno melting cheese here. And then some Parmesan grated on top, and I sprinkled as well some dried parsley and paprika. If you don't want it spicy, you can skip it. So air fry it for at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted, just like this. And the bagel is toasted to your liking. So it's as easy as that. I hope that you'll give it a try.